ఒకసారి హాస్పిటల్స్ మనం తీసుకోవడము అని అంటే that means we are taking ownership of those hospitals. That means hospital law infrastructure is our headache now. Meaning to say, oxygen availability సంబంధించిన ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ లాస్ట్ టైం మనం ప్రొవైడ్ చేసినట్టుగానే whatever hospital you take, whatever hospital we take over, please make sure that once again that infrastructure is properly put in place. Once the meaning of, once I say we take over the hospital, దాని అర్థం ఏంటి అని అంటే, దాని మీనింగ్ ఏమిటి అని అంటే, food quality is our responsibility, sanitation is our responsibility, infrastructure within the hospital is our responsibility, medication within the hospital is our responsibility, availability of doctors and paramedics is also our responsibility. Repeatedly malli chepta unna, the moment we take over a hospital, collectors responsibility పెరుగుతుంది. ఆ హాస్పిటల్లో ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్, ఆక్సిజన్ అవైలబిలిటీ, ఆక్సిజన్ ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ ఉందా లేదా దగ్గర నుంచి మొత్తం మనమే చూసుకోవాలి. శానిటేషన్ మన బాధ్యత, ఫుడ్ క్వాలిటీ మన బాధ్యత. శానిటేషన్, ఫుడ్, మెడికేషన్ మన బాధ్యత. ఇవి కాక sufficient number of doctors, sufficient number of paramedics అవైలబుల్గా అక్కడ ఉంచడం మన బాధ్యత. సో ఇవన్నీ కూడా మన బాధ్యత అవుతుంది. సో వితిన్ 2 weeksలో వీ నీడ్ టు ఐడెంటిఫై మనం ఏ హాస్పిటల్ అంటే లాస్ట్ టైం మనం ఇదే కార్యక్రమం చేశాం కాబట్టి ఇట్ ఈస్ ఈజియర్ దట్ వే. వాట్ ఎవర్ వీ డన్, వీ జస్ట్ టేక్ ఓవర్ దమ్ and then put these and make sure that all these things are properly put in place. So please make sure that you actually get there. 104 on a number must become a single destination for all COVID related cases and issues. 104 అనేది single destination number కావాలి. సో 104 అనేది మీరు ఖచ్చితంగా సింగిల్ డెస్టినేషన్ నెంబర్ కింద భావించాలి, సింగిల్ డెస్టినేషన్ నెంబర్ కింద ఓన్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఇట్స్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఆస్పెక్ట్. Another important aspect is the entire treatment for COVID patients is free of cost. This is the most important aspect. Every hospital law, whichever is empaneled with us for exclusive COVID care, whichever is are the hospitals that we have made sure we have earmarked for dealing with COVID patients, all these things are anyway equipped. You provide a bed, you provide them free treatment, and then you send them home smiling. That should be the motto. In Aarogyasri hospitals also, even though you might not have empaneled them as dedicated COVID hospital, even though you might not have empaneled them, in Aarogyasri also COVID treatment is free. Other than this, in those hospitals which are not empaneled in Aarogyasri, which are not empaneled as dedicated COVID hospitals under you, in those private hospitals also, there is a certain rate card fixed. And the rate card is clearly spoken about in GO number 77 and GO number 78. GO number 77 and GO number 78. Rate card is fixed and no hospital is supposed to charge anything more than that. In case somebody tries to charge, in case somebody tries to exploit the patient, your action on those hospitals should be swift. These are emergency times. These are pandemic times. You are at liberty to close down the hospital also if need be, to teach these people a lesson and book them in cases. You have the power. How do you test for fever? Make use of your volunteers, make use of your ASHA workers, make use of your ANMs in the Grammar Secretariat and the Ward Secretariat. Have your PHC doctors available. They need not be there, they should be available as such. But your organization strength in that village or in that ward is your ASHA workers and your volunteers and your ANMs there. Through these people, conduct a door-to-door survey. While you conduct the survey, also educate people. Anybody who is symptomatic, anybody who's got fever, anybody who's got slight symptoms, please conduct testing there. Vallaku matram kachithanga testing jaraga. So that we can be sure that so-and-so is not having COVID. అటువంటి సిమ్టమాటిక్ కేసెస్ ఏదైనా ఉంటే అక్కడ వాళ్ళకి మాత్రం ఖచ్చితంగా టెస్టింగ్ చేయాలి. చేస్తేనే you will be in a position to ascertain whether that person has got COVID or not. So that's one very, very important aspect there. Now, another important area where the collectors would have to focus is hospital preparedness. This is the most important aspect once again for the collectors. Please have your joint collectors once again exclusively segregated for this purpose. While these people monitor every day, every hour, collectors would have to be involved in monitoring over them every day. While joint collectors monitor every hour and every minute, collectors would have to be monitoring every day. Hospital preparedness.